y'all, it's Laura, and I thought I'd give you a quick update on my spending freeze. It's been a little over a week, and I will admit the first couple of days especially were hard. It was more because it's become a habit that if I see something that I really like, that I just go quickly buy it. And then often later that day, I kind of regret doing it because I'm like, I didn't really need that. I have something over here that's very similar. And I have like shopper's regret. But then I think, oh, but I'll use it, it's fine. So that first week was tough. It was tough, but it's a lot like with any lifestyle change. The further I get into it, the better I feel. I am at day 10, I think, when I'm filming this, and I don't even have the urge to buy things at this point. Now that may come back. If a new Cocoa Vanilla collection comes out, I am going to have the urge to buy things. But I have had a little bit of a conversation with myself that I don't need to have things when they're first released. That perhaps it would be better to wait until after those things have been out for a minute and maybe are a little cheaper. Then I can buy them. I'm just always afraid that I can't get the pieces of the collection that I really want. And I know that that's part of why I buy right away. Yeah, I do. So that's my little update, but I also wanted to mention to you that I did find a couple of workarounds this week that I normally would not have done. So I want to show you a little project I've been working on that is organizing all of my mixed media items and cataloging them, which is something I wanted to do, but I wanted to do it in a pretty creative way that would make me want to open it and look at it and enjoy it. So let's dive into that. Okay, so this is a sketchbook, and it's just an ordinary sketchbook. There's nothing special about this. I don't even think I bought this. I'm pretty sure it was handed down to me from someone who knows I like to draw and write things. So I have this sketchbook, and I wanted to make a catalog of my mixed media paper, but this is just like really, really thin sketch paper. It's not great for mixed media. And so I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to wait until after my spending freeze to do this, and I'm really motivated to do it now. And I don't wanna wait. I'm so impatient. And normally I would just go and buy a mixed media journal that looks sort of like this and spend that money right away, no questions. I didn't do that. Instead, I have glued together 3 pages of this paper together. So it's nice and thick, there's no bleed through, and I've just swatched all of my pens, my paints, my, oh goodness, I did pens, I did paints, I did all mixed media items, Nuvo, everything, and I did my washi. Because I don't have a ton of washi. I mean, some people have like totes full of washi. I don't have that much washi. I have one small container that holds all my washi. And so I did a color coordinated little washi design, and that way I can see all of the washi that I have. And then I did this. And this is just a really fun little spread that uses up some of the trickier embellishments or leftover embellishments that I have had in my stash for quite a while, and I really wanted to use up. So I've put those in here, and then the writing, let's see if I can show it to you. Here we go. It's backwards. But the writing is out of a couple of research books that I have because I'm a bit of a book nerd, and they are about the colors. So they're color theory as well as color history and all kinds of fun things like that. So I thought this was just a fun way to kind of art journal in here as well. And then I found little tabs for each color in my sticker books, and when you're closed, you can see they're kind of color coded. And so pink and red are here, and then orange, yellow, and I've just got to green. I haven't finished green. and I haven't started blue. So I did this, working on green right now. It's not quite done, but it also shows me, is it shimmery and glittery? Is it flat? I really, really like that. And I'm really excited that I repurposed this. I mean, that's not something I would have done. I would have just immediately gone to Amazon and picked up a mixed media journal. I didn't need one. Go figure. So, multi-purposing things. That's a little tip for you if you're having trouble with your spending freeze. Check your stash and see what else do you have that could maybe fill the gap of something you're looking for. Until next time, guys, more tips coming. Bye. Look at these curls. Love it. Braided my hair last night. Woke up with gorgeous curls. That was fun. Hi, Emma. Emma really, really needs attention. She just can't not. Everybody needs attention right now because I'm sitting on the floor. How dare Mom sit on the floor and not pet all of the puppies? All of the puppies, yes, all of the puppies. This is Gracie. She's a peekapoo. She's made a cameo before, haven't you, Gracie? This one is Emma. She's my big old pot-bellied pig dog. Yes, you are. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. I know, he's in your bed. Go lay down. Now I'm covered in dog hair.